Look out.
Look out. Already. That's what I do. I look out for people, man. Look out. I got people looking out for me, so I got to look out for others, man. I'm trying to share it, man. I ain't got no hate in my blood. I had got rid of that shit in 09. That's when I quit lying. You heard me? All that shit, man. That's going down, man. Man, I need to come out with my own intake out there. Shit, the lookout racing intake.
Ain't here yet?
Nah, man, I just got word it ain't coming because it ain't finished.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they ain't. And instead, I told them, man, we ain't, damn this event. We ain't got a debut here, damn them. I can't be half the cars here anyway, so let's just get it all the way right. And then we'll come be trying to race with the new E85 setup and all that. This shit taking longer than I thought and cost more than I thought. Do you hear me?
Yeah.
Check out his Ranger. He finishing up 400 horsepower, fuel injected 302. People still race 302. Man, come on. What you want to do with that 302? Boy, I ain't seen a fast 302 in a minute.
That nigga said I ain't seen a fast 302
in a minute. Ain't no 302s here. You make me want to run you on the motor. You got some juice on your 302, bro? He might be one of them ones that got a 331 still telling me 302. It's a daily driver. I do have a 3. Man, I ain't seen no, man, I'll line up with you. Out of Dallas, Texas? Where that dude at, man? Oh, mostly 340. Yeah, I forgot about the 347. What happened? They always still been these quarters.
Get him. Come on. Get your ass up out here.
Hey, goddamn. Hey, goddamn.
Oh, man, he's on 7. What they doing over here, man? Flipping one more time. That quarter ain't no good, right? 20 more.
Nah, double. Fuck it.
20 on this
I don't want
flip.
to be playing flip like it.
20 on this flip.
40, man.
40.
No, 20.
20. 20. That's heads. Head off. Come on, you gonna hit him this time. Come on, man.
Hey, 20, you won't do nothing, right? Come on.
Hold up, T. Lee. Left. One lead. Oh, come on. Come on, get him one more time. That's him. Go back.
This my 20.
All right, man.
You just won.
Nah, that's his 20. That's somebody else's. That's his right there.
You got it, Renee.
Oh, that's me. I thought that's me, right?
Nah, you ain't better. Here it go right here.
20 more, you know.
Coming out. Oh, left. Oh, that's get paid. That's 11, baby. That's 11. 20 more.
20 more hits.
20 more.
This where it said
20 more.
Oh, 11, goddammit.
Oh, 12.
right there. You lose right there.
Come on, coming back. Bring it back. What Renee gonna do?
Shit, I'm gonna bet he hit. I'm gonna bet 100.
Well,
I'm gonna bet what his point is.
What Renee gonna do?
Oh, goddamn it.
Oh, he got it back.
Hey, bet he hit.
Oh.
Bet he win. Bet he make it for 100. Bet he make 8 for 100.
20 on 8.
100.
20 on 8.
20 on 8.
Let's get him the money. Bet
Oh!
100 on the race car. Y'all
Oh, goddamn me. Already, man. Ain't no races going on, man. The track is down. You want to see what you want to see? You want me to do it like this, brother? Mr. I don't even JOS. You want me to do this? You gotta keep it interesting, baby. I gotta go with the action there. You hear me? I know you probably we want to see some races too, but they ain't racing.
I'm gonna run your car, man.
Man, I'm gonna run you too, man. We gonna run. I
got a true Mustang.
I got a true one too. Oh man, I'm whooping.
You got a Chevy Stein.
Yeah, I do. I got a Chevy Stein. I'm gonna try you though. As soon as I get fixed. Ready, man. Oh yeah, show some cars. That's right. Well, you on me. I got you. Win time. Greyhound 2 in the building. I be trying to.
Look out racing.
Yeah, I'm trying to get on it, man.
Get down and lay down.
Get down and lay down.
Racing.
Look out now. Hey, when you driving that, when you driving, this boy here 12 when the wheel came out? Yeah. You were filming it though? No, I didn't know that. No, you was over there. Hold on. When you was over there filming it though? No, I can't. No. Yeah, I got a camera. I got a video on YouTube. You was over there filming the wheel came out. No, that wasn't me. That was low. I got the drone in the car, man. Ain't nobody trying to pay for no footage. My other partner, he out here, he drunk his drone. He's doing it for free. Oh, it's bad reception over here. Come on back, baby. Come on back. Hey. There we go. It's coming back. Oh, it didn't cut off. We got Greyhound 2 in the building with the G-Body Regal. Nitrous Bill.